In the insurance section, we talked a little bit about coverage, but I really want to emphasize that you need to take steps to make sure that you are adequately covered. The only way you can do that is by increasing your uninsured motorist coverage. It's a section of your policy that addresses and deals with what kind of coverage you have or people that are riding in your car with you when you're injured by somebody that's uninsured or doesn't have enough insurance coverage. Insurance auto policies are written with what they call policy limits, and the policy limits are two numbers: 1530, 3060, 5100, 100, 300, 250, 500. What those are the different sizes of policies that you can purchase. A 1530 is a $15,000 policy, meaning that it's $15,000 available per person, $30,000 available per occurrence. Now that's the California minimum coverage. That's the minimum that you have to be able to drive in the roads in California. So there's lots of people that don't want to pay any insurance premiums that are driving around with that type of coverage. The highest level you can purchase is a $250,000, $500,000 policy. Now that means that that would cover any individual in your vehicle up to $250,000 if you have the uninsured motorist coverage. And it'll cover up to $500,000 for all the occupants in your vehicle per each occurrence. So you can see the disparity levels in different policies. So I always encourage people to purchase as high level of insurance coverage as you possibly can, making sure that your insurance company sells you the best uninsured motorist coverage you possibly can get. If you need to pursue an uninsured motorist claim, what we do is we notify your insurance company and we begin dealing with your insurance company. One of the questions that often comes up is whether or not it's going to affect your coverage. Since you're filing a claim with your own insurance company, the insurance regulations prevent the insurance company from doing that. The insurance regulations say that the only time an insurance company can affect your premiums is when you have an at-fault collision or a moving violation. Since an uninsured motorist claim is not either one of those, they can't affect your insurance coverage. We notify your insurance company of our involvement. We let them know that we need to pursue the UM claim. That's what we call an uninsured motorist claim. And then we begin the process of conducting the litigation against your insurance company. Now, since you have a contract with your insurance company, there's a provision in there that says if there's a dispute about the policy and about the UM coverage or the UM claim, then it's to be decided by an arbitration. So you give up your right to a jury trial in a UM claim, and you get to have the decision essentially made by the arbitrator as to what the fair value of your case is. And it's a binding decision. So it's a bit different than if you were actually pursuing a claim or pursuing a civil justice case against another person that caused you harm. But at least if you have the coverage, you have the ability to seek some sort of compensation if the person that hit you was irresponsible and didn't have adequate coverage.